So the question comes up all the time, is regenerative medicine FDA approved? So realize that the FDA's role is to regulate foods and drugs. And stem cell therapy and platelet-rich plasma, these don't fall in the category of either a food or a drug. They're things that are pulled from your body or from the body, let's say the umbilical cord of a newborn baby, and that makes these things not drugs, and therefore they do not require FDA approval. But there are, of course, the companies that will harvest stem cells from those umbilical cords, and those companies do have to be regulated by the FDA. So regenerative medicine is regulated by the FDA, but it isn't an FDA approval process that's needed. So you do have the safety of knowing that the FDA has gone into the facilities that are producing stem cells to be distributed by regenerative medicine practices like ours. But there isn't any need for the FDA to come and look at what we are doing, since they say that this is a completely natural product. Same way vitamins are not regulated by the FDA. The laboratories that produce them have to be seen over and watched. But as far as you taking a vitamin, that's not an FDA approved or rejected type of situation. So the fortunate part about that is that the FDA only gets involved in really, really close oversight of things that have significant risk. And since they've seen that there isn't any significant risk with regenerative medicine, they don't feel the need to have that close of an oversight of it. It says a lot about the safety and track record of regenerative medicine. And so I'd encourage you to look at that not as a last resort option, but as a first resort option. You can't undo a surgery, you can't untake a medication, but certainly you can try something in the way of stem cell therapy or platelet-rich plasma, see how that works for you, and the safety rating is just so unbelievably good that you have nothing to lose. So I would encourage you to get in touch with us, see if we can do something to help you before you get into the more significant types of interventions, things that carry more risk. So we're with CellGen Regenerative Medicine in Pooler, Georgia, just outside of Savannah. And by all means, please post comments, ask questions. We'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you.